Coach,
It's a disappointing outcome, but basketball ganyan talaga. Naintindihan naman namin. Overall, we finished the elimination round in second place. We got ourselves a twice to beat advantage, but we just could not hold on to it. We accept that things like this can happen. We're just kind of disappointed because we wanted to give Gabe a really good exit. No, sayang. But nonetheless, I think we should still give recognition, no, to what he's done for the franchise the last 17 years kung hindi ako nagkakamali. He's the epitome of loyalty and just decency and being true to being a professional. Yun nga, madalas ko sabihin na wala kang may pipintas kay Gabe. Wala kang may pipintas kahit sa anong bagay. We actually proposed to retire his number, no, na sign of recognition and respect for what he's done. So I think management would be very willing to do that. We congratulate Meralco. Really forced yung game nila, no, sa amin. I think they just played harder than we did. We would have wanted to put more emphasis on playing with force, but they're just stronger, no? And yun nga, yung breaks, I felt that's a big part of it. But they deserve to be in the semis, no? They're former champions, so I think we will have a good series in the in the local text Meralco semis. So we will take a short break and then prepare for the import conference in March. Pero we just want to get our players healthy. Si Luis, sayang, naka-2 games pa lang, pero masaya ako dun sa unang game niya. Kaya lang kanina, tinamaan ulit yung tuhod niya na opera. No? So, I don't think it's serious, no? But again, yung break namin will make his situation better, and he's going to be better prepared for the next conference.
Coach, any plans ba of si Gabe still being part of the team, maybe assistant coach?
We already assigned him as assistant coach actually, officially naman, no? If he wants to retain that position, I don't think that's going to be a problem with management. But it's still unclear what he really wants to do now. But he will be welcome to be part of the coaching staff. Nasa na rin lang naman siya, nasa coaching niya na rin lang naman siya. So I think that's totally up to him. That's totally up to him if he wants to be part of the coaching staff.
Coach,
Are you disappointed sa campaigner for this conference?
Of course, we're disappointed, pero marami kami ring pinagdaanan, no? You also have to look at the positive side. We've had a really good streak of getting into the semifinals 4 times in a row. Na-break yung streak na yun. Nangyayari talaga yun. No? Although I felt na we were improving as a team, at the time when you think you're getting better, tapos hindi ka makakarating ng semis, that's the disappointment. But those things happen. That's part of basketball. The important thing to me, I think, is that the team remains competitive. Its potential is, its upside is very bright. So we prefer to look at it as along the way there's going to be some trials, some tribulations, some obstacles along the way. But yung trend namin, yung direction namin is still going up. Taas pa rin naman. Parang kami sa may dip naman yan. Pero paakyat din naman yan. So I think that's the way we want to look at it. We're trending up, but when you trend up, there's going to be some dips along the way. But after that, you're still going to trend up. That's still a good situation for us.
Coach, may konti bang panginayang din kasi PNP, parang ilang beses na nakakaharap, maybe this time you have a better chance.
Kasi we were looking forward to that kung kayang lusutan yung Meralco. Pero ibig sabihin hindi pa siya napapanahon ulit. So tignan natin. Marami pa namang conferences eh.
Medyo ups and downs din yung latter part. 25.
Ano?
Medyo
Ups and downs, yeah.
Latter part ng 2025. Ayun, pasay yung ganyan. Paano mo na natin binabalance? So, gano'n sa 2026?
Iba-iba naman yung yun nga, we try to compartmentalize yung mga events and situations. Ganun talaga buhay eh. So kasama yan na yung roller coaster ride, but the more important thing to me is the direction, the trend. We're improving as a team, tapos yung mga ibang situations nga yun, may naipanalo tayo sa Supreme Court, which is good for sports in general. Our young players are getting more mature, and experiences like this will enrich them. Kaya nagtagal kami sa dressing room. Sabi ko lang na i-process natin to mabuti. Bigla hindi natin makalimutan yung mga lessons. Kasi kung hindi mo ipoprocess after this, parang wala lang nangyari or hindi mo binigyan ng importansya, you really will not absorb yung lessons. So, we wanted to talk about it, spend more time about it right after the game so that bakasyon kami the next 2 or 3 weeks siguro, they will have something to think about, they will have something to set their own personal objectives during that period. Kasi sinasabi ko rin sa kanila, there's some players who did well, there's some players who did not do well, and on their own they should be able to take accountability for that. Everybody's accountable. Yung bang inasahan sa'yo nagampanan mo. Were you able to accomplish yung expectations? If not, bakit? Kung hindi mo na accomplish, how do you get better? And what will you do to improve yourselves in the future. So, pinag-usapan na namin lahat yon para pagdating ng bagong taon, hindi na namin sila kailangan tawagan ulit. They can actually siguro add that into their New Year's resolution, how they can improve themselves in playing the game. And also, it became a little emotional because we were all disappointed for Gabe, but Gabe gave a good speech to the team. He thanked the team, he thanked the whole crew, the ball boys, the coaching staff, and management. And Gabe is not going away. He's just going to be around naman in Sunday. So we appreciated what he did for the team, and we felt bad for him, but he was the one who was consoling us na we did not really fall short for him. Because if you're just going to look at it as this last conference, that is a small part of his Raymerson experience. You have to look at it for the whole 17 years. Yun ang perspective niya. Hindi mo pwedeng tingnan niya na isa lang na pangyayari. You have to take it as a whole. He was telling us how he had enjoyed every day that he practiced. Yung enjoyment mo sa araw-araw na kasama mo na naman to. I think that was very well appreciated by the group. He goes home every day after practice telling stories about how fun practice was. Yun lang. It's still a positive note on the whole for us.
Coach, pero kung ikaw masusunod, gusto mo ba rest of the season sana si Gabe, lalo na may mga injuries din kayo with Kit Lato out?
Alam naman niya yun na I always joke about it, though, na maybe you want one more conference or one more year. Sinasabi niya it's the final decision. Although I always ask that jokingly, even during yung mga press con after the game, sinasabi ko rin sa kung baka makumbinsi pa natin, ganyan. Mukhang mukhang hindi pa nakukumbinsi. Tingnan natin. Pa rin naman tapos.
So tinatry mo pa rin convince?
Yeah.
Si Gabe?
So, kasi kumpara may nilalaro niya doon sa ibang may asim pa
Dumadam pa
Oo.
Coach, kahit nga, mention mo nga naging emotional kanina sa Dakar. And then sinabi rin ni Adrian na medyo may mga naiyak rin sa kapatid mo.
Hindi pa naman kasi I think I've had the most time to coach Gabe during those 16 years. Marami siya naging ibang coach, pero ako yung pinakamatagal niyang naging coach siguro sa nagpapalit coaches. And I know Gabe is just going to be there. Hindi naman yung parang nawala siya. Maybe he's not going to be there as a player, but he's always going to be there as a friend. So he's always going to be there. Maybe he wants to be an assistant coach. So, ang nakakalungkot lang, hindi na natin siya makikita na naka-rain or shine para sa uniform. But you can still be in a rain or shine coaching uniform. So, he's very close to his teammates, and he's been a kuya and a mentor to a lot of them. Kaya yung mga bata, parang mamimiss nila yung part na yun, yung aspect. Medyo sila yung medyo emotional.
Pag sabi niyo, pinag-usapan niyo yung for next year, how about yung sa susunod na conference, pinag-usapan niyo?
Yes, although that will be taken up in our parang next meeting early January, kailangan namin decide yung mga import, kung sino yung mga shortlist namin sa import. Kailangan namin decide yung mga mag-expire na kontrata. So yun yung pag-uusapan namin sa ano. I don't think we will have the time to do that kanina. Ibang ano naman yun. Ibang session naman.
Coach, ano lang, comments kasi sa Facebook. Malaking epekto raw yung pagpa-vlog nila Santillan, nila Marakot, nila Nanas. Tingin niyo po ba naka-epekto rin yun sa nilalaro nila, Coach? Although sinasabi nila after practice naman nila ginagawa.
Sa akin, nakikita ko sila na ano ko sila. I will feel that kung nakikita ko na siguro walan sila ng time or energy for practice, but hindi naman eh. Ibig sabihin, what people see doon sa mga vlog nila is their natural personality and character. Yung time na ginagamit nila doon does not affect yung work nila, trabaho nila na ginagawa for the team. Siguro I will be the first to notice, or I will be the first to remind them if parang sandali, parang nawala kayo sa focus, baka iba na yung focus nyo. Pero hindi pa naman eh. Yes, they will have bad games kasi medyo hindi maganda yung nilaro nila, particularly today siguro. But they also know what their responsibilities are. Sila mismo malalaman ko kung ginagawa ko nakapekto sa laro. So, I think masaya sila na ginagawa yun, at the same time hindi naman nararamdaman yung effect sa laro. That's okay. Pero I will, ibig sabihin, babantayan mo rin, no, na wag maabuso.
Second,
Okay, so